Baes, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get this nice, cute New Year's Eve makeup look. Look at that flowiness, like, ooh, yeah, I look like oh my god, I hate myself. I look like I'm going like, stop, just stop right there. Get help. Brandon, you need to stop and go get help. Okay, so I hope you guys had an amazing year of 2018, and now we're going to the year of 20 by teen. Oh, you see what I did there? That was funny. Enough fooling around, it is time to start this video. So let's go. I'm gonna teach you how to get this cute makeup look for the year of 2019. And hopefully, good luck in this new year. Hope you guys have fun. I know I'm starting this look good, so yeah, high expectations for this year. Let's go. As you guys can see, I have a couple things on my face already done. For foundation, I went the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation in shade Medium 52 Neutral. For my extreme highlight that you see today, I used the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral. For these very interesting, very different, very gorgeous brows, I went with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, because you know I got dark brows, I just have dark hair, so I'm like, why not just do dark with dark, you know? Also, I'm kind of sad because I broke my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I got really agitated and like snapped it in half, so it's literally just I only need this part anyways. I barely use the spoolie because it's kind of gross. I'm going to first highlight my brow bone, and to do that, I'm going to go in with a light shade. For my light shade, I'm going to go into the Sugar Pill Pro Palette. And I'm going to go into this nice shade called Taco and put this underneath my brows. I'm going to be taking a flat brush to do so and just dip into it and put it on. So now I'm working on my crease, and for my crease, I'm going to go into a couple colors from the James Charles X Morphe palette. So this palette is just like as gay as me, so I'm just like, why not use it? It has all the colors of the rainbow. We're just gonna go into it. Like, what color could you not find in this palette? An ugly one. Dad jokes. I'm gonna go with the R35 brush, and I'm gonna dip it into, oh my god, I don't have the plastic cover. So I'm gonna dip into the shade called Pinkity Drinkity.
And Pinkity Drinkities, please.
Right here, and I'm gonna put this in my crease. Don't ask questions. I know a pink in your crease. Just stop asking questions, okay? Just don't. So I put that color down, and as you can see, it made a really nice, subtle pink kind of moment going there. And now we're gonna make it a little bit more intense. So I'm gonna be going into another shade from the palette, and I'm gonna be going into the shade Boutique, which is right here. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Once again, just going with the R35 brush because I don't have a lot of brushes, so we're just gonna dip in with the same brush and just darken our crease. Also, just so you know, my throat kind of hurts, so that's why I kind of sound like a man. Not because I'm actually a man, because I'm not a man, I'm a woman.
Are you sure about that?
I'm going into another color from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to go into the color No Beans. Kind of looks like a bean color, which is probably why it's called No Beans. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with the R41, which is right here. It's a little small blending brush. I don't know if it's called like a bullet blending brush. I don't know. I'm not a beauty guru. I'm just a girl that does makeup.
Are you sure about that?
Ooh. Ooh. How nice. It's a nice color. Oh my god. Ah. Okay. Shut up. Not only do I feel like it did nothing, but it looks like it did nothing. So what was the point of that? Who knows? I just wanted to put it there. With that being done, I think it's time to stop on the eyes for a bit and then go on to my face and then go back to my eyes like I usually do. You know, you gotta just blend the eyes out first, do your face, and then go back. You know, you gotta give it some time to like marinate. So we're marinating our eyes right now. That sounds gross. So it is now officially contour time because I grabbed the right palette. I got the Shade to Light palette for the face. I keep on confusing it with the Shade to Light palette for the eye, even though they literally don't have similar packaging. I think this is a newer version of it because A girl lost hers. Don't know who. Like, what girl could lose a palette? Like, how can you lose a palette? Who knows? So I'm gonna go into this cool toned shade right here, and I'm gonna use this brush. It's from e.l.f. I'm just gonna dip into this and contour my face. This is a little trick I do. If you have a strong jaw like I do, I like to go in with a little fan brush. And this way you have something nice and very delicate. And I just like to go in on the sides right here. I don't know, I'm just putting this in there because I feel like there are people out there that need this. I'm not good at makeup, so I don't know also why you're taking advice from me, but yeah. For me, highlighting is very simple. I only highlight certain areas of my face. So I'm gonna go into this nice peachy tone right here, which is right above the color I just used, and go in with this nice fluffy brush and just dip into it and just, honestly, I'm just gonna smear it. I don't have any rhyme or reason for where this goes. It's just triangle. As if you guys know what triangle means. Like, I'm just like, what? Like, I'm bad at explaining things. I'm sorry. This is my favorite part of the whole entire thing. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in the shade Bronze and take this big, nice, fluffy brush that I just used to highlight, and I'm gonna put this all around my face. Honestly, bronzing is how I look. If bronzing didn't exist, I would look like this. Like, you can see, I need help. Like, I need lots of help, and the bronzer will help me. As of right now, I only own one blush, and this one blush I own is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Risque. So what I'm gonna do is put this all over my face. Like, literally, I put this everywhere. I know that's not what you're supposed to do with blush, but I just like to look like a blushing goddess, you know? I just like to be blushing like, oh my god, me, ha 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 ha. Okay, stop talking, let's just go. I'm gonna pray and hope that this actually hasn't focused on me this whole time, because I really think that I just did this whole makeup tutorial for no reason, because I don't think this is focusing on me. God, if you're there, just like, please. So I'm gonna take this little brush right here and kind of do a contour that I've never done before. I'm gonna attempt to do like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like your quintessential like drag queen, like exclamation point nose, and I'm just gonna try my best and hope that it works out, but it probably won't, and that's okay. But like, it's okay. Part of me's like, honestly, just try it, Brandon. And then the other part of me's like,
don't try it, Brandon. You've never done it before. You're going to mess it up.
so I'm like, I don't know which one to follow, so we're just gonna follow my heart, and my heart says fuck up my makeup. Wow, I miraculously fixed my makeup. Honestly, all that I did was just start over and just, I don't know what I did. I can't tell you what I did. I never can do my nose contour. I have a very difficult nose to contour, so it's just always difficult for me, as you can see. But hopefully it turned out okay today. The next thing I have to do is the thing I'm scared to do most. It is what I always mess up on. I'm making my fake lid. And to do that, I'm gonna go back into my Kat Von D Shade to Light. This is not the Shade to Light. The Lock-It foundation, and I'm gonna take my broken Anastasia brush and make my new crease, because I have to do that whole thing all over again, but it's okay.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! SpongeBob, careful! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
So now we have to set down our foundation that we just put down, and to do that, I'm gonna go in with this nice warm tone shade from the Shade to Light palette for the eye. I'm gonna be using this nice kind of flat, thick brush. You wanna use a brush that you don't mind destroying, because you're gonna get foundation and shit on it, and it's not gonna be pretty. So I am actually going to do this off camera. My camera is dying a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge her. And I'm gonna be off camera just doing my eyeliner and putting on some lashes, and then I'll be doing some finishing touches, which I will include you guys with. And I'm gonna be using the Natio eyeliner. I just dropped it. Let's not make fun of me, okay? And it's this really nice, thick eyeliner, which I really enjoy. Like, I don't know why. Why is it focusing on my face? Focus on this eyeliner. Okay, but I'm gonna catch you real quick. Bye, Baes. So I am now back. I just put on lashes, put on some mascara, put on some eyeliner. So there are 2 things left that I still have to do. I have to 1, put on highlighter, and 2, put on some lipsticks, and then put on a wig, and then blah, 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 blah. So I'm actually using one of my favorite highlighters, which is the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Summer Snow Cone. I'm gonna take it on an R36 brush and just put some there and go in. Oh yes! That was just to add some subtle highlight, and now for the actual final step is putting on some lipstick. So I'm gonna go again in the NYX lip pencil in the shade Whipped Caviar and just line my lips. Now that I have my lips lined, I'm gonna go in with Androgyny by Jeffree Star and just use this and look cute. Like, I don't know, like, what do you want me to say? Like, and as you can see, I am now done. I'm gonna go put on a wig and just hopefully I turn out good.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
As you guys can see, this is the final look and I like it. It's a cute kind of like, oh, like look at that, like, did you see her? Like, she got boobs for once, like, go off. Also ignore, I know, armpit hair. I didn't shave because I don't need to. Because to say that I need to shave is putting, I really tried that, but I forgot what to call it. Like, I didn't know, like, I'm sorry. But yeah, do you like this wig? This is one of my new ones that I got. I like it because it's like this really nice blonde color. Like, I wouldn't mind having this brownish blonde just as a whole wig. Like, I feel like I could really rock a wig that was just this. Like, I don't know where to get one. I don't know where I'd want one, but I want one really bad. A wig that looks like this, but just the whole thing is this color. If you can find that, please like link it below. Like, that would be really helpful actually. But I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you did not like it, then you're gonna get bad luck this new year. So you better like this video so you can get good luck. Don't forget to go down to the links below to see links to my other videos. There's always something fun down there, so just go check it out. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye, Baes.